You are going to love the 2024 Charger Daytona. The Dodge Charger Daytona is an upcoming all-electric muscle car that blends classic performance with modern electric technology. Featuring aggressive styling, powerful electric drivetrains, and high-performance capabilities, it aims to deliver a thrilling driving experience while embracing a new era of sustainable power.
This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: blind spot monitor, heated mirrors, all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, front license plate bracket, LED headlights. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.